isometric view of a cone and cylinder of 25 mm side and 60 mm height. For that we have to draw a circle of normal 25 mm radius. So 25 mm radius circle you have to draw, or you can draw a 50 mm diameter circle. Even no need to draw for this. We are not taking any distances from the circle for your confirmation. First we have to draw original length of 25 mm circle. No need of that, but still I have drawn it. First we'll mark a point here, then we'll take 30 degree on either side. On either side, and then join with the scale. With thin line I am extending. Now we'll transfer this parallel to this. Before that we have to convert that 50 mm diameter into scale by multiplying 0.8164. we will get 40.82. so there is nothing but 41. So you can take the distance 41. By keeping it at this point, we'll draw an arc here on either side, because all the side the circle is having the same diameter, there is no length. So it is very easy to make a box because of all the sides are same. So we got all the points. We'll join all the points. Now small variation is here. Just make it. So I've made a box, and then we'll take the centers. By joining opposite corners. So this point is a center point. Now I will name these corners A, B, C, D. Then take 25 radius multiplied by 0.8164, will get 20.41. In between 20 and 21 you have to take the distance. This is 20, 21. In between 20 and 21 the distance should be there. Then cut on all the side. You will get the center of all the edge with the same distance. If any variation in the center, then you will not get exact. Because we have to join these center to the corner. Corner C I am joining now. So this I will join with the same C corner, and then A I will join with this corner. Once again the opposite edge corner. So now we will define the centers first. Instead of A I will call it as C1 center, C2 center, C3 center, C4 center. 4 centers we got. Now by divider I will take the distance by keeping at A point, exactly A, we will take this distance. So instead, if you want, we will give it as naming 1, 2, 3, 4. From C1 center, I will take the distance of 4, or you can take the distance from A, 3. So both distance will be same. So draw the arc from 4 till it intersect third point. So it will join 3. Right. Now the same opposite side, by keeping at C, take the distance of 2. It is from C2 center. Draw the arc till it intersect 2. Now by keeping at C3 point, we will draw the arc by keeping at C3 and C4. Now by keeping at C4 and taking the distance of third or fourth, you have to draw the arc. And also from 1, you have to draw the arc. Make the adjustment of your divider to draw the arc, because it's a small distance. And then other side, the distance will be same. So this is how you have to draw the. So once I will join this. This is the bottom side I have drawn. For the top side, once again you have to transfer the plate. Right, exactly we got. Now we'll transfer, or we'll draw the height. So height is 60 millimeter. That height I have to convert it into isometric. So we'll get 48.9. It is nothing but 50. From center I will take 50 millimeter. First we'll take the height. So height I have taken. Now parallel to height I will transfer all the lines. Now we'll cut with the same height, that is 50 millimeter, from the divider, from all the corners. So once again we have to join all these points. Now once again we have to take the distance, center distance. So already at the bottom I have taken, so we'll take the same distance, we'll cut at the top also. Once again we have to join opposite side. Now we got all the corner at the top also. We'll take first opposite sides. Then or this distance from this center we have to draw. It is difficult to draw here, but still you have to draw. You have to adjust your divider, then only you will get just a small variation is there. Now you have to give the tangency for both at the top and bottom. After tangency, which part you have to make it dark, that is very important. So this part you have to make it dark, and this part also you have to make it dark. This part also you have to make it dark. This inside part you have to make it dash because it is not visible. So this is how you have to construct a cylinder. Now we'll go for a cone. How to construct a cone? The same you have to transfer once again. You have to take the 30-degree line. So we'll mark a point here and we'll take 30 degree on either side. We'll extend it. Then the same height, same distance we have to take. First you have to make the box of ISO 50, that is height 60 mm is converted into 50. Now take the center distance 25. So it is we'll convert it 30 50 into 0.8164 divided by 2, so 20.41. In between 20 and 21 you have to take. Because of 20.41 you will not get exact center, that is the problem. Because of there is variation. Now I'll join the opposite. This center to the C point. Just for convenience, we'll write here C1, C2, C3, C4, and also write 1, 2, 3, 4. And height is 60 mm. Height is there. 60 is converted into 48.98, that is 50. Now we have to draw this bottom circular part. So by taking C1 as center, 4 and 3 should meet each other. Because of some variation we may not get here. So now we got exactly, no problem. So then by C3 at the center, it is difficult to draw, but you have to make it. then by C4 you may not get exactly because of variation in the, yes, we got exactly, no problem. Now these tangents will be joined, not a point or anything, to the height. Tangents should be joined to the height. That is very important, because in cone and cylinder we will not get any edges. The circular tangents will be joined for the cone height. And this part we have to make it dash. Other than that, everything is correct. This is called as isometric projection of cone and cylinder.